Hello, everyone. In this Motley Fool article, they discuss three growth stocks that can turn $100,000 into 1 million in 10 years. That is, these three stocks discussed in this article have the capacity to make your money go 10x in 10 years. They're right, these game changing stocks might be unstoppable. So, without further ado, let's get into it. The first stock they are talking about is Teladoc Health. While COVID-19 pandemic really affected most of the businesses, it benefited more than any other business the leading telehealth provider Teladoc Health, ticker TDOC. About Teladoc, it would suffice to say ARC W holds this stock. That is, Cathay Wood has been buying this stock and still bought the stock recently on May 5th. Based on 23 analysts from TipRanks, have an average price target of $238 in the coming 12 months. And yes, this stock has been well around $294 in February. Teladoc has the potential to consistently grow to 20% to 30% annually for a long time to come. It's not just about pandemic. Even after the pandemic, people would prefer to go to the doctors virtually. Assuming its cash burn ebbs over the next 12 to 18 months, it'll be well on its way to turning 100,000 into 1 million over the next decade. And according to Simply Wall Street, its debt is around 1.37 billion US dollars, whereas equity is around 15.8 to 9 billion dollars. So its debt to equity ratio is considered to be satisfactory. Plus, they say Teladoc has sufficient cash runway for more than 3 years based on its current free cash flow. The next growth stock in this list is Northern Star Acquisition, ticker STIC. It is a special purpose acquisition company that is involved in a pending merger with dog products and services company BarkBox. A shareholder vote on the merger is expected on May 28th, something to look forward to. This stock is currently sitting at around $10. BarkBox offers a gross margin around 60% and is likely on track to nearly double its sales between 2021 and 2023. After seeing how well other pet stocks have performed over the past decade, Northern Star, soon to be BarkBox, can be a millionaire maker. The next stock is Redfin. Redfin Corporation operates as a residential real estate brokerage company in the United States and Canada. And according to this article, what allows Redfin to stand out is the cost savings and personalization it brings to the real estate space. For example, traditional real estate companies charge a listing fee, that is commission, of up to 3%, depending whether you are simply selling a home or have purchased and sold a home through Redfin. Listing fees range from 1% to 1.5%. With home values skyrocketing over the past year, the cost savings Redfin can provide with its lower listing fees has been magnified. In this article, of course, they are talking about 10 years of hold. But if you take a look on TipRanks, based on analyst rating, it is expected to grow around 45% in the coming 12 months. Wall Street is looking for Redfin's sales to almost quadruple over the next 4 years, assuming it builds on its share of existing home sales and remains cash flow positive. A 900% gain over 10 years is achievable. Redfin is currently unprofitable and has a huge debt of around $1.25 billion compared to its equity of $383 million. The debt to equity ratio is high. Whilst unprofitable, Redfin has sufficient cash runway for more than 3 years if it maintains its current positive free cash flow level. So these were the three stocks I wanted to get to your notice. Please do your own due diligence before investing in any of these stocks.